Hey guys, I'm Fontana Monique. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell. This is a Relique Hair Company 26 inches deep wave wig, pre-plucked baby hairs. My Amazon order came with the wig, the bag, eyelashes, wig cap, and a water bottle. This Relique wig came with 4 combs, adjustable straps, and good head circumference. It also had transparent lace. I've already cut the lace before. It's 26 inches. Let's get started with the install. I do not use any type of glue. I only use Gots to Be gel and the Gots to Be free spray. Bleaching process, you'll need a mannequin head, T-pins, and you want to turn your wig inside out and pin it down. Products: Clear All Basic White Powder, 30 and 40 volume salon care developer, mixing bowl and a brush, water bottle, trash bag, and gloves. Clips, edge control brush, tweezers, combs, scissors, and of course a timer. You'll need a thicker consistency so the product don't bleed through the lace. Just slightly spread the mixture evenly over the frontal and then set your timer for 20 minutes. Using the Isoplus shampoo, wash your frontal. I'm creating sections for the wig. Using the 30 developer and the powder to bleach my first section. Timer to 15 minutes, and you want to check your pattern to make sure you don't lose it, and rinse out the bleach thoroughly. After washing, we're going to go to the next section, and we're going to use the 40 developer this time with the mixing powder. Set your timer again to 15 minutes, and you're going to again rinse it out thoroughly. Now to the top of the frontal, I'm using a 40 volume developer and mixing powder, and I'm trying to create a ombre effect. Wash your wig a few times to make sure you've gotten rid of all the product that's on the wig. Using 2 tablespoons of the silicone mix and soak the wig for 2 hours. Rinse the wig thoroughly. Put the wig back on the mannequin head and make sure you lock down the wig with the T-pins. And put the T-pins very close. And now we're going to start sectioning off the lace frontal so we can start the tweezing process. Do not pluck too much in one area. You will create bald spots. So this is how the wig turned out. Install process, you'll need combs, brushes, your razor, scissors, wig clips, edge control brush, and you're gonna need the wig. And I let the wig air out. It came out to a 2730, so now I'm going to start installing the wig with the Gots to Be gel. Now I'm just making sure it's dry, using my makeup powder and putting it on my frontal. I must say the wig did come out really nice. The colors are blending very well. The more wetter the hair, the more it's going to wave up. The pros, the wig is the best deep wave I've ever purchased, and the rating is about an 8. And the density of 130% did not change. The hair is very bouncy. It's very soft and good, and the deep wave pattern is still revealed. So let's get into the cons. I wish the lace front had went further back because I can see the tracks on top, but it's not that noticeable. Again, the color is a 2730. It came out exactly how I wanted it to. The pattern is still visible, and I'll put all the information for this wig in the description box. I want to thank you guys for watching my video.